Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the pet mutation machine work a little bit faster in Grow a Garden. So this will only work if you have this pet. It is the golem pet. It is from the Beanstalk update, and it goes to the mutation machine and it makes it go just a little bit faster. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but you're just going to place it in your garden. And it's going to basically go to the mutation machine ever so often, and it's going to basically kind of make the mutation speed up a little bit more. It does only take 1 hour though to mutate like a pet. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.